and gentlemen, let's get into more stories. It looks like the issues between Chris Brown and Usher has been sorted out because these two R&B superstars are having a joint tour. Now, they came out with a video to tease us, and trust me, I know this is something that you definitely do not want to miss. Let's take a look.
Time. Hell yeah.
There you have it. They said it's time. Even though dates and venues are not out yet, and also countries that they will be touring, this is an amazing one, and of course, it's going to be something for the books.